Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'd like to show you around a very nice SEAT Ateca automatic that's just come into stock with us. Now, this vehicle was registered in December of 2020, so it's just over 4 years old and has only covered 35,300 miles. So this is a little short video, a little walk around just to show you how lovely this car is and the condition that it's been kept in. Now, this one starts off with the 1.5 turbo petrol automatic gearbox, which is a 7-speed gearbox. Now, the Ateca has proven to be one of our most popular models with plenty of space, seating for 5, and if you move that centre armrest up, or if you have 4 occupants, you can drop that down to, in my case, keep the children apart from each other. Now, they have a huge boot. One of the Ateca's trump cards is this lovely big boot with these quite handy pull releases. So just drag one of those and hey presto, the seats fold down. Make sure there's no children sitting there, otherwise you'll probably get into trouble. Rear parking sensors are standard on this model, as well as front parking sensors, and also the ability to park itself as well. So self-parking is quite a neat option. Those little blocks are for the Isofix car seats, and this one also benefits from having a rear air conditioning outlet as well as USB sockets. Electric windows, electric mirrors that also power fold in when you lock the car. That's a standard feature. And then you can see from here a lovely big navigation media screen, as well as the electronic handbrake, and that round dial is for the different driving modes. This one also benefits from a wireless phone charger, climate control, and here we have the lovely big media screen. So plenty of personalization you can do on here. So you can change the views depending on what your preference is. They all have DAB. They all have the ability to connect mobile phones, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as being able to stream music across. Cruise control is another standard feature, as well as the ability to personalize the view in behind the steering wheel. So some customers prefer having a nice big digital speedometer display, but that's up to you. Now, they all have LED headlights as well, so you've got these lovely bright clear white style lights, more like a daylight light. And hopefully this video you've enjoyed it. If you have, give us a like, and say if it could be the car for you, then please don't hesitate to get in touch.